Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something that's seriously exciting if you're into local marketing or just looking for a smart way to build an online business fast. It's called Local Spotlight Fortune, and it's one of the easiest ways I've seen to start generating leads, ad revenue, and even marketing clients in your own town or city. So what is it? Local Spotlight Fortune is a completely done-for-you website system that lets you launch a local top 10 businesses site in just minutes. Think of it like a local review site, but already designed, preloaded with content, and built specifically to attract attention from both customers and business owners. And the best part? You don't need any tech skills. Seriously, if you can click a few buttons, you can get this set up. Once your site is live, you can use the built-in GPT-powered tools to automatically generate posts like top 10 restaurants in Chicago or best plumbers in Miami. It's super quick, and these types of posts do great for local SEO and social sharing. You also get done-for-you templates, ad creatives, social media graphics, and outreach emails, everything you need to promote your site and start conversations with local businesses. This gives you a real way to make money from featured listings, ad space, and upselling your own marketing services. It positions you as the local expert, builds credibility fast, and opens the door to high-value partnerships in your community. If you've been trying to figure out how to start or grow a local marketing business, this might just be the shortcut you need. Drop a comment below if you want to see a behind-the-scenes tour, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tools like this. See you in the next video.